Wow. 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 Oh, where you from? Wow. At a funeral, and this guy is dancing, pleading with the gods to stop the rains. And this is pure culture, tradition. He is dancing to stop the rain. Okay. So it looks like it comes with a lot of brags. He has done it before, pleading with the gods. And as he dances, people also gives him money to commend him for his hard work. Let's get here and see him properly. As you can see, the CEO of Angel Group of Companies, Dr. Kwaku in your shot, surrounded by beautiful women. Okay. That's Loving C, Ace radio presenter and DJ in your shot. Now, the gentleman is back in the rain. All right. Now, the rain is going down. The rain is going down. The rain is going down. Wow. Wow. Now look, there is sunshine. As you can see, Charlie, and nothing. So at least I can step in the rain now. I can now step in the rain. And as you can see, Charlie, this is unbelievable.